Hello friends, I'm Sarika. I do hope you all are fine and enjoying a comfortable and healthful season. A wonderful opportunity that will improve your life's journey multifold is knocking upon your door this very minute. Do you wish to know more about this exciting opportunity? If yes, then let me begin by taking you through the conceptual part of what is known as direct selling. Now let's understand what is direct selling. Direct selling is an open platform to learn, experiment, and establish your career as an entrepreneur. Under direct selling, you develop your career along with all those people that you work with. It can be broadly understood as the selling of goods and services directly to the consumers, generally in their homes, workplace, seminars, meetings, etc., through the exercise of explanation and demonstration of the product by direct sellers. Direct selling benefits from the removal of intermediaries like retail outlets in the selling process. Direct selling offers the opportunity of entrepreneurship to all, where you can start a business immediately and with minimal overhead costs. Direct selling entrepreneurs are free to appoint others to join their sales team, sell products, and increase their combined earning potential. Going forward, this format has the potential to create a significant social and economic impact in India, hitting the INR 645 billion mark by 2025. It will provide self-employment opportunities to 18 million people. Direct selling business will empower 11 million women economically in India alone by the end of 2025. India being a young nation where more than 56% of the population is below 35 years of age, new opportunities in direct selling are unlocking each day. Under the direct selling guidelines issued by Government of India and other state governments, with new growth drivers well in place, the future of direct selling business in India is extremely bright and viable. Let's look at the region-wise growth of direct selling in India. Northern region, 27% share, 33% growth. The northern region is the second largest region by market size and has grown at the fastest rate. Northeastern region, 11% share, 27% growth. The northeastern region is currently the smallest market for direct selling. However, over the past few years, growth has picked up steadily in the region. Eastern region, 17% share, 19% growth. With unexploited potential in the eastern region, companies are optimistic about growth prospects in the future. Western region, 15% share, 9% growth. The western region is a relatively untapped market compared to northern and southern regions, but it is catching up fast. Southern region, 30% share, 14% growth. This region holds the highest market share for the direct selling industry. Health and wellness is the largest category in the direct selling market, capturing 47% share, followed by FMCG products and household goods. Now moving forward, let's understand the guidelines under which a direct selling company or entity should work. Any company engaged in direct selling must be a duly constituted legal entity authorized to conduct business in India under the guidelines issued by Government of India. All direct selling companies should provide their direct sellers with a written contract clearly stating the business information, all the processes and compliances, including the termination clause, etc. The direct selling company should provide all literature and sales material with complete product information and clearly defined price to new direct seller immediately upon his registration as a direct seller. All provisions of the business plan, including compensation structures, should be made available to the direct seller in a detailed document. The direct selling company should be dealing in superior quality branded products manufactured under their own brand name for its customers or direct sellers. The direct selling company should have a written refund or buyback policy indicating that a consumer purchasing goods or services from a direct seller shall have a period of 30 days from the date of placing an order to return the goods and initiate the process of refund with the company to confirm. The direct selling company should maintain accurate information on its website for direct sellers to provide accurate product information and price in turn to their customers. The direct selling company should have a dedicated customer care desk to solve customer issues pertaining to purchase of any other information required by the customer or direct seller. So after all this, you may have a question in mind, is it very difficult to do this business? Can I really do this? Well, this amazing opportunity is easy as long as you have the passion, dedication and integrity to follow it through. To achieve your ambition, consider the following goalposts. With good communication and motivational or leadership skills, you can do wonders in this business opportunity. You must be true to your downline or customers and provide rightful information about the products you are dealing in. You must have complete knowledge of the business plan and its execution as per direct selling guidelines. Avoid making false promises to your downline or customers only to sell the product. Explain and guide the downline about products and their usage. Charge the customers accurately, reasonably, never above MRP, and pass on the additional benefits, if any, offered by the direct selling company. Do not indulge in unfair practices in any manner whatsoever. Always pay attention to your customers' problems and try to solve them at the earliest with the help of customer care support provided by the direct selling company. So, now what are you waiting for? Move ahead in right direction and pave your way forward with this amazing business model.